How to auto scroll Instagram Reels. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to use that brand new feature that allows or lets us watch Reels hands-free, no swiping needed. So let's just jump right in with the video. So you can just go over and update your application to the latest version if nothing else. Go to Play Store for that first before anything else and go ahead and search for Instagram here and ensure this application right here is updated to the latest version available because this feature is a part of Instagram latest update, so your application needs to be fully updated. If you do not see it yet, it might not be rolled out on your account yet, but it might not be in your region yet. So once the application is updated, you can tap on open and open up your Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, you can directly go to the reel section. So for that, tap on this reel option here and we'll be taken to this reel section. You can just go over and find the specific reel uh, or the main reel that is appearing on your screen. Once you find it up, you can tap on the three dot option in your reel, and once you find it up, you will be finding auto scroll option on your Insta if that feature is rolled out, which will be appearing like this, the auto scroll section. Now, once you find the auto scroll option in the menu, you can just go and toggle this option on. And once it is enabled, the Instagram will automatically go to the next reel when one of the reel finishes. So I don't need to have swipe anymore. So you can just go over and do so. And if you want to go back to manual scrolling, you can turn this toggle option right here and you're back to swiping for the next reel. And the thing is, this feature is rolling out gradually. So if it's not showing, you can update your Instagram app or restart your phone or wait for the Instagram to release features in waves. So it may show up soon and you can just go over and follow that process. But this is usually how we enable it. A game changer for hands-free Reels watching. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.